Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. I'm really excited because, as you guys may know, it's a lot of magical themed kits, which is just my favorite to do. So let's go ahead and go through this week's releases. First things first, we will go through the foil releases. I totally forgot to release these last week with, was it Boom? And I have some like 4th of July themed foil overlay quote boxes to release. So they come in all 4 foils. So you have gold, silver, rose, and hollow. So let me go ahead and show you guys these. So you have this option here that says United We Stand, Happy Birthday America, Sparkler Kisses, and 4th of July Wishes, and Sweet Land of Liberty. And then the second option here again comes in all 4 foils. You have USA Born and Raised, Red, White, and Blue, Happy 4th of July, and Let Freedom Ring, and all 4 foils. So you have these 2 options that will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. We do have some new doodles. So we have 81 through 90. So these are all kind of like cleaning / home related. I kind of mentioned last week that that's kind of what we'll be going into with the washing machines as being number 80. So this is some hangers. You have a toilet cleaning, open refrigerator, a like Roomba or vacuum cleaner, a duster, cleaning dishes, folding laundry, or just like, you know, maybe for donating clothes or organizing. You have sweeping, some random cleaning ones up here. So you have 2 different sponges in 2 different buckets. And then also some trash cans with trash bags. So those are the 10 doodles releasing this week. Then I do have a foil bundle for this week, which I think would look so pretty with so many of the kits releasing, especially Magical 50th and also Summer Forever. I think would look really good with those especially. So this is a black prism celestial. It's really hard to see the black prism unless you shine it under a light. Let me see if I can get it. There you go. So a black prism celestial. So this is the matte sampler if you want to add that on. And like our foil bundles, you have the 2 sheets that have the full boxes and the headers. You have the 2 sheets of bougie boxes, the scripts and the icons, and then the bottom washi overlays, which are so pretty. And then the fancy headers, the deco, and the date numbers. So that is the foil bundle for this week, a black prism celestial format. And again, I think it would look so pretty with both of those kits, but I'm sure there's tons of kits in your collection it would look gorgeous with. Let's go into the first art this week, which is exclusive, and then I'll move into the 2 magical and then the 1 non-magical. So we do have 4 collections coming this week. So the first one here is exclusive art by Jess, Kitnish Jess, and I just am obsessed. I know I wanted to do some kind of like 50th inspired art for Disney World or Magic Kingdom. So this is Magical 50th. There is like other parks in here, which I think is fun. It's so pretty. But they kind of like sneaked images of like all of the parks with like different celebratory like colors and stuff. And I thought that'd be really fun to kind of incorporate something inspired by that. But I feel like Jess did an awesome job. If you guys follow Jess on YouTube, this was the kit that she was like, it's massive and it's going to take a while. So if you don't follow her, I'll leave her link down below. But she was talking about this kit a couple of weeks ago doing this. So I love this kit. This is technically a double boxing if you want to put it together, or you can leave it separate. I wanted to kind of frame it that way, but also it does line up if you want to do the fan box there as well. That's also a double box. So that's kind of something I wanted to mention in case you guys wanted to do a double box moment. But there are, you know, the 4 park scenes. You have Mickey and Minnie, a little packing, a outfit flat lay, and then this would be perfect for a quote, which is just the balloons, which I think are beautiful. Obsessed with this, obsessed with the colors, and you have a really fun faux like sparkle throughout that's like a navy with all of the different colors in it. So your extra full boxes here, you do have the hand holding a little drink, as well as and this is like a coffee, I guess, or a chai. I get a chai. And this is just another flat lay with like a lanyard, an autograph book, some masks, and you know, the magic band situation in ears. I love these colors, so like celestial and like moody nighttime fireworks kind of vibes. And then again, you do have that like fun faux sparkle throughout. I love this deco. It's so dang cute. You have your glitter headers. I think this would look really fun with the black foil, but I also think it would look really pretty if you did hollow, sparkly hollow, a purple or a blue foil. The navy from, or not navy, I think we called it royal blue from last week would be really cool. Sparkly hollow, pretty much any type of like hollowy, sparkly type situation. Or if you want to do like champagne lights, I think that'd be a cool contrast. They'd all look pretty. Or if you want to do silver or gold mixed metal, I think that'd be nice too. Your bottom washi, which I love. Also, this would be cute for a quote box. Like one of the version, I think the version 3 quote boxes would look really pretty on here of the magical ones. And then the freebie in both the Ultimate and Mini is this tall fashion option, which is so dang cute. Look at her. And her little like silky dress. I always wanted one of those, but I'm like, I don't know how it would look on me, but they're just so cute. So that is the Ultimate kit. Let me go ahead and show you guys the Mini kit real quick, and then I'll show you guys all of the add-on options. I was just thinking, I'll go into it whenever I get to it. Okay, so you have the Mini kit here. So all of the kits this week do come in Ultimate and Mini, of course. Same freebie situation. And then as far as the add-on items go, we do have your standard 15mm strip, label sampler. There's also a label sampler version 2, which has a little bit more of a like cool tone blue, and then a green, which is really pretty, goes really well with the collection. There is also the Doodles, which I was thinking, let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see the Doodles for these two, because I could totally add those on really easily. So these are the Doodles that match, which are great if you're planning a magical trip or you just like magical items, but they all match the kit with the colors. And then we also do have fan boxes. So you do have a tall fashion option. You have this option which can make that the castle, the double box, and then you also have like a pink drink can. So you have fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also 6. And that is everything for Magical 50th. Again, this is exclusive art, so you will not find it anywhere else. And I'm obsessed. I might use it 2 weeks. I don't even know. Like, I just want to use it a bunch of times. And if you guys didn't know, the 50th anniversary for Magic Kingdom is a 18-month thing. So it's quite long. So if you don't plan on going, you know, this year, it starts October 1st. It will be going on for a really long time. So the next kit here is called Dreamland, and this is Disneyland art. And I think it's super, super cute. I love the colors. I think this would look really pretty with sparkly hollow, or if you wanted to do like a lavender hollow. Oh, I think Park Hopper would look good with all of these. And again, let me know if you guys want to see Doodles in these two collections as well. I could totally add those onto the listing. But I think this is super cute. You do have like the Avengers campus, you have Pixar Pier, and then you do have the castle, 2 flat lays, and then 2 regular boxes here as well. Super cute. I just love the colors. I think it's so pretty. Or sparkly hollow because this hollow, a pink foil. The box here is a tall box with the castle, and then you do have a faux pink foil throughout. I was gonna do a pink instead of the yellow, but I really loved this yellow. I think it made it look a little different, and then pulling in the pink with the pink sparkle, which is, will look, again, really cute with pink foil as well. So we're going to do rose, the deco, the labels, pattern labels, half boxes, glitter headers, and then the really pretty bottom washi. This also reminds me a lot of like cotton candy, just kind of like sweet. I don't know, I really like it. So that is the Ultimate kit. It also does come in a Mini kit. There is add-ons of the, I forgot to show you. The freebie in both the Mini and the Ultimate is the pink, if you wanted to kind of add that in. You have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on, the label sampler if you want to add that on, and also the fashion options if you want to add those on as well. Again, let me know if you guys want to see the Doodles in that collection. Along with this one here is called Magic Kingdom, and this one reminds me of like cool mornings, rope drop. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the muted colorway of this. There was 2 colorways, and I thought this one was really, really pretty. So you have the 2 fashion options on the top, the 2 boxes. I love this. I don't think I've seen anyone in a like magical kit do like whenever you get the box with the magic bands in it. You have a bunch of snacks, which are always a fan favorite, and then just a cute little flat lay. I love the button in the park map with the little pouch, and it does say October 1st, 2021. I thought that was really cute as well. And the little churro and the drink in the hand. Oh, so cute. So that is the full boxes. The freebie in both the mini and the ultimate has the other scene with the monorail right there. I thought that was really cute. And then these colors are just so pretty. Again, also kind of reminds me of cotton candy, but kind of more reminds me of like in the morning, like a cool morning for rope drop. And you have your pattern, you have your half boxes, glitter headers, deco page. Your extra boxes here has the most magical place next right, and then a little fashion flat lay. And then the bottom washi is just really pretty with like the watercolor with the little tiny like Mickey heads in there. So that is Magic Kingdom. And then the add-ons for this include the 15mm strip. You have the fashion options as well, and the label sampler. And then last but not least, a non-magical collection. Actually, I think next week the 7-year, I think it might be. So I'll be doing a video on that and giving you guys all the details. I was gonna say there's non-magical kits next week, but next week is not a magical kit, but there'll be more in the future. But this was just a heavy magical release. Ooh, I just dropped the freebie. Where did the freebie go? Did that just disappear? Oh no, I see it. Hold on, I'm gonna crawl under my desk. Okay, I got it. So this is a really pretty summer kit. I am obsessed with this. I think this is perfect for like June, July, August, or if you're planning just like a pool day, summer forever. And I think this is such pretty art. So let's go ahead and go through it. You have your full boxes here with the 2 fashion options, the flat lay. I love this little food tray here, and also the little shaved ice and the stack of books. I love the colors in this kit. I think they're so pretty and so good. The freebie for this kit is this box here in different skin tone options. And let's go ahead and go through the kit. So these are the colors that I picked. I think they're so pretty with that black. Again, I think this would look so cool with this, but also again would look really pretty with almost any foil. I feel like you could do gold, you could do silver, you could do rose, you could do hollow, you could do sparkly hollow. But this would look really, really cool, just saying. Especially because I feel like in the light, this does have like a light bluish, greenish kind of tinge to it. And especially because it has that blue and green in the boxes, because this is kind of almost like, it has that hollow sheen. So a hollow usually has like a blue-green in it. I think it would be perfect. I just think it'd be perfect. So then you have the extra boxes here, which has like a little flat lay with the bathing suit, and then a really cute little cake and presents. You do have the solid pattern. I love these patterns. They're so pretty, especially this one. The icons and half boxes, the glitter headers, and then I love this bottom washi with the checkered pattern, the gold stars, and the little smiley faces. I think it's so cute. Oh wait, did I have this mixed up? Oh, that's the mini kit page. Oh, we don't need that. So that is the ultimate kit for summer forever, and I just think it's so dang pretty. So that is the kit, and let me go ahead and show you guys the add-ons. It does also come in a mini kit. I just didn't bring that one home. So you have the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then there's also the option if you want to add on the fashion. Okay, literally as I was filming this, I was like, I'm forgetting something. And then I looked over after I was done filming and I'm like, I forgot to put this in the picture. I forgot to put it anywhere. And I was like, how? So this collection here is called Coffee Shop. And I am obsessed with this. I think I'm going to use it for my friend Bree's birthday because she loves coffee. And I am obsessed with this kit because it's so modern and I love the colors. It's very like creamy, and as Kenneth just said, it like reminds her of like ice cream with these colors, and it's so good. I am just obsessed with the fashion options and then the flat lays, and I love this cake here. I would totally eat it. Oh, it's so good. So here are the full boxes. This would also look really good with marble multicolor. Another kit that I feel like could go with so many different foils. You could totally do gold, silver, rose. I think this would also be really pretty with matte bronze, or even like champagne lights if you wanted to kind of like spice it up. But I just really think the possibilities are endless. I think also this would be good with a gold silver mixed metal moment. Your extra full boxes over here, you do have the other scene, which is just so cozy, and then a little planner flat lay, which is super cute. And then again with the colors, it's just very like warm and just, I don't know, really pretty with the pinks and the browns, kind of neutral vibes, super coffee-y You have your glitter headers, your half boxes, your solid and pattern labels, your bottom washi, and then the freebie in both the ultimate and the mini is the fashion option here with the really pretty secondary scene background. Love it. I am so obsessed with this kit. I think that this one is going to look so pretty whenever you lay it down and you just see like all of the pinks and the browns together. It comes in ultimate and mini. There is a 15mm strip add-on, there is a label sampler add-on, and then last but not least, you do have the fashion options for that one as well. And again, this one is called Coffee Shop. So that is everything for this week. I hope that you guys like this week's new releases. Again, I will be back next week to show you guys the 7-year bundle. I am really excited to show you guys that. I did a collaboration with Kane from Print Prussian, and I think it turned out amazing. It is a smaller bundle than last year. I wanted to do something a little bit smaller to keep it affordable. Last year was a lot of pieces. I did like assemble that, and it took me forever. But this one is just a kit, a foil bundle, and the collab item, the foil bundle, is a new format, and it's so beautiful. It's like real pretty. Yeah, I'm like obsessed with it. And I think I might use the kit for my birthday. I have not decided yet. It's an anytime kit, but you guys will hear all about it and I'll show you guys next week. But that is everything for this week. I hope that you guys like this week's new releases. Again, let me know if you guys want to see the doodle page for these two magical collections as well, because I could totally add that onto the listing. Otherwise, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.